here is a relatively gentle and maybe slightly unique way to challenge your balance. What it's going to do is activate a little bit more your vestibular system. That's a mouthful. Your vestibular system is what helps you to stay balanced. It involves parts of your inner ear. People with dizziness, vertigo, situations like that will often benefit from this movement as well. All you need is you, and in particular your eyeballs. We're going to connect to the breath as a way to make it a little more yogic, because this is certainly not a traditional yoga pose. So if you want to just follow along, connecting your breath to these eye movements, you'll be all set. Come to a comfortable standing position. You can do this seated, however, it won't really activate that inner ear to help you really challenge your balance all that much, but it couldn't hurt. What you're going to do is keep your head as straight as possible. Your head is not going to move. The only thing that's going to move are your eyes. All right, from your mountain pose, breathe in and look up. Breathe out, look straight ahead. Breathe in, look down. Breathe in, look straight ahead. Breathe in, look to the left. Breathe out straight. Breathe in right. Breathe out straight. That's all there is to it. Take your time. I do enjoy connecting to my breath as I do this, but it involves keeping your head still and only moving your eyes up, neutral, down, neutral, side, neutral, other side, neutral. I hope you enjoy it.